Hi guys, welcome to C Code, a problem solvers community. In this channel we believe that the more you solve problems, the more you master programming. So if you like the idea, please subscribe to this channel to join this amazing community. Okay, let's move to the new challenge. Okay, as you see here, the instructions are: given a string of words, you need to find the highest scoring word. Each letter of a word scores point according to its position in the alphabet. For example, I equal 1, B equal 2, C equal 3, etc. You need to return the highest scoring word as a string. Okay? If two words score the same, return the word that appears earliest in the original string. Okay? All letters will be lowercase and all inputs will be valid. Okay, great. So please take some time to solve this problem by yourself and see you in the few minutes to solve together this problem. Okay, great. Now you have tried solving this issue or this challenge. Okay, let's move to solve it together. As you see here in this section, we have many test cases. Okay, let's take for example this string. Let's consider we have this string and we want to solve to get the highest word in this string. Okay, so as I have mentioned in many videos in this channel, that we have to define the steps to solve this problem before going to coding. Okay, so the first step here, step 1, is getting the words in this string. Okay, so getting the words in this string. Okay, step 2 is calculating the score for each character, for each word character, for each calculating score of each word. Okay, by getting the position, an alphabet position for each word and making a sum. Okay, so calculating the sum of the score for each word. And the third step is getting the max for the score, the max score. Okay, great. So for this purpose, I am going to use string. Okay, so I'm going to use a declarative style instead of imperative style. Okay, great. So I have already imported java.util package. Okay, great. So first I'm going to use arrays.stream and I'm going to pass s.split, and split I'm going to pass the space. Okay, so I have passed here a space because the separator between these words are the space. Okay, so when I for example, this function will return an array of words. For example, men, I need, etc. Okay, great. After that, you are going to get the max score for each word. So the implementation of max, if we check the documentation, we are going to find that stream.max returns the maximum element of the stream based on the provided comparator. Okay, so we have to send as an input a comparator, and we are going to get an optional of type T. Okay, so for our case, an optional of string. We are going to use a static method for comparator dot comparing int, because we are talking about the scores. And the comparator comparing int, let's check documentation for this function. Okay, the comparing int method accepts a function as a parameter that extracts an int sort key from a type T, okay, and returns a comparator that compares by that sort key. Okay, so it has as a parameter a functional interface named to int function, and it returns a comparator. Okay, so let's implement this to int function, a functional interface. Okay, so element1 dot, because we have each word contains character, we need this character chars to extract characters. This chars returns a stream of characters. Then we want to map each character to its alphabet position. First, we are going to convert this character to int and minus 96. Why minus 96? Because we are using the ASCII here, ASCII code, and the first element in alphabet words, in alphabet characters, has, which is A, it has 96 ASCII code. Okay, so we have to do minus 96, and after that we are going to calculate the sum for each word. Okay, so we are going to calculate sum. We are going to calculate the sum for this word and this word, this one, and so on, and we are going to get the max score for this array. Okay, as I told you, this max function returns an optional. To get a real value, we are going to use .get. Return the result. And I'm going to remove this one. Okay, let's execute the tests. Something I'm missing, something here. Okay, I have to remove one. Great, all the tests are passed. Okay, great. So if you have any question, please feel free to write me in comment, and if you like video, consider subscribing to this channel and like it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.